How to customize Sankey Diagram by VisioChart in PowerPoint. How to change node label properties. Click on Node Labels button. Click on Toggle buttons to show hide node labels. How to change node properties. Click on Node button. You can adjust the node's width, padding, and opacity as needed. How to change flow properties. Click on Flow button. Click on Flow's color drop-down. Select Solid. You can give one solid color to all flows. You can also set flow's colors according to targeted nodes. You can also set flow opacity. How to change level labels properties. Click on Level Labels button. Click on Level Labels Positions drop-down button. Select Bottom. How to change node's color properties. Click on Node's Color button. Customize node colors to suit your visualization needs. Click on Download icon and download chart to PDF.